Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about worry and uncertainty. And as you can see behind me, it is very messy at my house right now because we are getting ready to move from the house we've lived in for 20 years and the town we've lived in for 30 years. And we love our town, we love our friends, we love our church, we love the view. I love the view out my window, but we feel like we've done a lot of prayer about this and we feel like it's the right move. That doesn't mean I'm not worried. I'm waking up in the middle of the night worried. I'm uncertain. I'm having a hard time feeling close to God. I think maybe because I'm so stressed and full of worry. And so I want to give you one little tip of what you can do if you find yourself in a similar situation. I've been using these little Bible study Bible verse cards, and I'll leave a link to those in the notes of this video so you can find it. And when I start getting worried, just recently, I started this a couple of days ago. I'll just go to the next verse in the little pack. And so this one I went to this morning when I started worrying because I'm going through all these old files too of all my writing stuff. And I'm trying to declutter because we're moving into a storage shed. So I have all these notes for books and projects like that. And, worries me to get rid of them. So I thought, what if I never remember that again? But I am going through them. Anyway, started worrying. So I picked up the next card in the book and it says, "You will live secure and full of hope. God will protect you and give you rest." So here's a promise. I'm going to live secure and full of hope. And so when I read that, I automatically thought, oh, life's going to be great. We're not going to regret this move. We're going to be happy wherever we go at our next location. We'll figure out where we want to live long term. But that's not what the Bible verse says. It says, you will live secure and full of hope. Not because you're making the right decision, not because you're going to have this super great life. No, you're going to live secure and full of hope because God will protect you. So what I did is instead of imagining myself in this great new life that I'm going to love, I imagined myself, maybe living in a crummy little tiny apartment or my car or something that I might not love, but still being secure and full of hope because my hope is not in the good life. My hope is not in the perfect life. My hope is not in living the dream. My hope is in God, and God will protect me no matter what happens. God will give me rest. So the secret to getting over worry is not making sure you get all your ducks in a row, so you have a great life, so there's nothing to worry about. The secret is making life all about God, because when you make life all about God, He is enough. He will protect us. He will give us rest. And so as I work on moving, and as you guys do whatever you need to do in your life right now, in your uncertainty, try to spend a lot of time with God. Keep Him first in your life. Sometimes we do need to act. In fact, I've been thinking of writing a book about worry. And for people like me who tend to not act, who tend to just worry and not do anything about it, it's important for us to do things about it to ensure our worries don't take place. So those are things God wants us to do. But in addition to that, we want to depend on God, make Him first, because that's the real key to letting go of worry. I hope you guys let go of your worries. If you have anything to share, I'd love you to put that in the comments. I think that's about it. I hope that you have a day where you're trusting in God to protect you and a day of rest, even if you're in the midst of a hard situation.